welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log out and re-log in into Chase Mobile without losing settings. Need to log out but don't want to lose biometrics or settings? Here's the safe way. Open your Chase app, log in, then tap your profile icon, scroll down and then sign out. After that, reopen Chase Mobile app. Log in again. Your fingerprint, Face ID settings stay safe, so don't worry about losing it. Then re-enable biometrics only if the app asks. Also, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi while doing all of that so the app runs smoothly. And if it does not work, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Tip: do not uninstall that's only the time settings resets, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.